Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to find and delete large files on hard drive. In macOS Mojave, you have access to Storage Manager, which can help you find and delete files that you no longer need. Click on Apple icon and go to About This Mac, Storage, Manage Storage. Click on Documents. Here you will see large files shown below. You can then select one or more files and click Show in Finder to show the files enclosing folder, or Delete to delete the file. Or you can open Finder and click the magnifier icon, type anything and you'll see a plus button. Click the plus button and select File Size. Choose Greater Than. Enter your desired file size range, for example 1000 megabytes. Then preview and delete the files you don't want. Empty the trash. It's that simple, just be careful to not remove any files that are important. What was the largest file size on your computer? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.